Hi everyone and welcome back to my Canada Immigration Explore YouTube channel. In this video, I would like to talk about Canada Express Entry over 40 and no provincial nomination. You can still get PR, even if you are over 40, you can still get permanent residence in Canada through the Express Entry system without a provincial nomination. If you're a foreign national over 40 and a provincial nomination isn't a good fit for you, you can still qualify for permanent residence by having a high enough comprehensive ranking system, CRS, score in a Canadian Experience Class, CEC, or a category-based draw. You will see a few examples of fictional candidates over 40 who were selected in past CEC and category-based draws. We'll also give you tips and tricks to help you increase your CRS score. Now, let's talk about how CRS cutoff scores are determined. Canada's Immigration Department, IRCC, holds regular draws to invite express entry candidates with high enough CRS scores to apply for permanent residency. To be chosen in a draw, your score must be the same as or higher than the cutoff score for that round. The cutoff score changes depending on who is in the express entry pool, what kind of draw it is, and how many people are being invited. For example, let's say IRCC decides to invite 1,000 people in a healthcare and social services draw. The cutoff score will be the score of the 1,000th person invited. If there's a tie, meaning more than one person has the same score, IRCC will invite the person who submitted their express entry profile earlier. Throughout 2025, IRCC has been focusing on three main categories for express entry draws: healthcare and social services. The required scores for these draws have ranged from 470 to 510, French language proficiency. The scores have varied the most in this category, from 379 to 481, education. The cutoff score for this category has been 479. For comparison, the scores for the Canadian Experience Class, CEC, draws have been higher, ranging from 518 to 547. In the end, I would like to request you please like the video and subscribe Canada Immigration Explore YouTube channel, and also share this video to your friends and family members for Canada immigration updates. Thank you. See you in the next video. Take care.